Here is how we can send an email from iPhone with attachments. So let me guide you through it. Subscribe if you're new and we can get into it. So you might be using different mail clients for sending emails, but a lot of people use the Apple Mail, which is the blue icon with a mail on it. So you can get inside or even hold down on it and click on a new message. So we're going to go straight into this. And I'm going to type in the message as usual, meaning I fill in the text fields for recipients, the subject. So I know you can choose the contact and the body of the text. But the point is that if you want to attach anything, you're not supposed to have the subject selected or the recipient, but you need to click on the text field below where the body of the text actually is. And you can see a couple of different things are going to be pulled up. So the thing we are interested in is the paperclip icon, which is for attaching different files. And we can now attach files, scan text, scan a document, or go to the photo library, or even capture the photo with the camera right away. So it depends on what type of file you want to attach, but most likely you're going to click the first option, which gets you over into the Files app. So you can even come back in here and browse all of the things you have stored. So if you have things on your iCloud, you can go there and find, for example, document which you want to send. Or you can come back to the local storage, which says, or it's called On My iPhone, get inside and find pretty much whatever you want to attach. Obviously, the limit is usually 25 megabytes for like videos and stuff, so it shouldn't be anything too large. But when it comes to some, I don't know, as you can see in here, like a scanned document, which I have in here, I can tap on it like this, and it's going to be part of this email. So it's going to be attached like this, and yeah, this is what I can do with it. I can as well just click on it and maybe perform some changes to it or whatever. But yeah, that's something which is outside of this, because you know you can do it for anything, but that is essentially how you can attach attachments in your email. So let me know if you managed to make it work and to do it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.